Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I'm starting my dinner, and tonight I'm going to have something a little bit different than I normally do, and I'm making some peach chicken. I did this a couple of years ago and we really liked it, so I thought I'd do it again tonight. And in my skillet here, I've got about a tablespoon of oil and a couple of tablespoons of butter, and I'm getting that heated up and that butter melted. So let me go wash my hands since after I handled all that chicken. Okay, so I have 2 pounds of chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs. Those would be delicious. I just had chicken breast. So I washed them really well and cleaned them up and, took that little vein that runs through it sometime, an extra fat off of them. Now, I'm going to first, I think I want to spread this out. Let me wash again. Okay, so I want to spread this out in my skillet. Just kind of an even layer. And I'm going to salt and pepper it. We're going to get this chicken browned up, and then we're going to start adding some good stuff to it. Can y'all see down in there? I think you can. This skillet gets so hot, y'all. Now, this is in my Amazon store, so if you get a chance, go check it out. This has been one of the best things that I have gotten, and it gets hot quick. I've got plenty of surface area, and so I just really like it. So let me get this chicken cooked. I want it good and brown, and I've got an onion chopped up that we're going to cook next, so y'all stay with me, okay? Okay, we've got this chicken to brown. It's been cooking, about 10 minutes. And I've got some rice going over here. That's what you're hearing beep. So I'm going to take this chicken out of the pan right now and just set it aside. I have some onions that I chopped while I was waiting for this. So we're going to get those going in this pan. We're not going to clean the pan out. We're going to leave what's in there because, y'all, that is just flavor. So don't clean that out. I have a medium onion, and I'm just going to get that in there to saute. And I put it up. Let me grab my salt and pepper. I want to salt and pepper these onions just a little bit. Now, when I salt them, it's going to kind of draw out the moisture. So it's going to kind of sweat them down, but I'm not using, that was just a pinch. A pinch of salt. I'm finished with this. That's what we used on the raw chicken. So we want to put that away. Now, what I've done is I have some peaches. I've got right around 3 cups of peaches here. Now, these are white peaches. Can you see how pretty those are? It's almost time for peaches to come in. Getting there, but not quite. And but I found these at the grocery store, and they look and smell divine. You can use frozen peaches. If you use frozen, get a 16-ounce bag. You can use canned peaches if you want. Or if you happen to have canned, put up some peaches last year and have a jar left over, use those. I want to go to the market and get some peaches this year and put up, so I'll have them throughout the year if I want to make a peach cobbler, or we just want to open up a jar to eat. We love peaches. So I want to get these sauteed up. They don't take but a minute. I'm not looking to get any color on these. I just want to get them a little bit tender. And tell you the truth, my pan was so hot, they're almost right where I want them. So, and it hadn't taken but a couple of minutes. Okay, so while these onions are finishing up, I'm going to take my peaches, and what I want to do is I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar on these peaches. We're going to stir it up real good. I want to get them coated, the peaches coated with that brown sugar. And we're just going to let them set aside for a minute. But they're already very juicy. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these onions up. And I am going to, using my slotted spoon that I used to take the chicken out, just going to kind of drain some of the oil off. Yeah, we've had some trees cut down this week. We had 2 huge trees. And I don't know if you can see out my window very well over the stove. We had, I had 2 large trees out that window that I could look at when I was cooking. Well, one of them, it's a sweet gum tree, and it was massive. And a couple of weeks ago, we had a storm, and one of the limbs, huge, I mean, it was as big around as a tree, fell. Luckily, it came straight down and didn't fall on anything. Then we had another one that fell as well. Okay, so I've got that done. Now, I'm going to put these peaches in, not clean it out the pan. I'm going to put these peaches right in here. Okay, so I have this soy sauce, and I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of this soy sauce in here. Yeah, this is, trust me when I tell you, this is delicious. Now, when I was at the store getting my peaches, I forgot to get a lemon. So, but I have some very good lemon juice. So I'm going to use what would amount to about 1 lemon. And I'm thinking I want a tablespoon. So I'm going to put that tablespoon of lemon juice. It's going to be good. And we're just going to stir this around. If you can smell this, oh my gosh, y'all. I love soy sauce anyway. Now, all we're looking for is that liquid to start getting thick. And it is not far from being it. But we don't have a whole lot of liquid down in here. Let me see if I can hold this up for you. Look at those peaches. Oh my goodness. This just needs to cook a couple of minutes. So when this thickens up, I'm going to come back and we're going to get this finished. All right, if y'all could see how thick this has gotten, I don't know if you can tell how that's pouring, but that has thickened up beautifully. Now I'm going to add this chicken and these onions back into the pot. My goodness. And I'm going to stir this all together. Get it combined well. You want every piece of chicken coated with that beautiful, delicious sauce. I have rice that I cooked, I told you about. So I just want to fluff it up. I used 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Add a little bit of salt to your water, not much. And I don't want much because I want to wait on Pop, but I want to taste it for you. So let me close this to keep it warm. I just love my rice cooker, y'all. And that's in my Amazon store also. So let's get a nice couple of pieces of chicken and a hunk of peach and some of that juice to pour right over that rice. Now, can you see that dish? Let's give it a taste. I want a bite of peach. I want a bite of the rice and a bite of that chicken. It's hot. Yeah, as a side, other than rice, now I'm using white rice tonight. Last time I made this, and I didn't have any. I thought I did. A pack of the Louisiana style, Cajun style yellow rice. That's delicious with it. And with some green peas, green beans, or broccoli. Broccoli would be wonderful with this. Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and y'all know I love roasted asparagus. That would be excellent with this. And I have some broccoli, and I may cook that, but I wanted y'all to see this. I don't know how you could get any better. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Pop's got to hurry up and get home so we can eat dinner, or I'm going to eat without him. I hope y'all will try this because I know you're going to love it. It is absolutely amazing. Now, I'm going to get the lid, get this covered so it'll be warm when Pop comes home. But I so hope you will think about getting one of my cookbooks. Again, I know I keep telling you I'm working on book number 2, and we're getting closer and closer. So, but this will be in that one, the next one. But I'm going to leave a link for this in the description box under this video. So when you click on that link, you go to my website, and there's a link to order the book. And it takes you straight to my printer, and they do everything for you. And they'll take your order, or you put it in online, and they'll fill it out, and normally everything ships the next day. They're really quick turnaround. But I appreciate you joining me today, and I look forward to having each and every one of you in the kitchen with me, and I hope you'll come back and see me. Each and every one of you, I appreciate so much. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, hit that little notification bell so you'll know when we upload our next video. Thanks, everybody.